One of the easiest, most effective ways to improve the health and overall appearance of your lawn is sharp mower blades. And most people don't do it at all, and they probably aren't doing it frequently enough. A couple years ago, I made a video on my channel showing you guys an Amazon product that I bought to help sharpen mower blades. And I went back and watched it, and it is a terrible video. You know, as a creator, it's kind of hard to go back and watch some of your early videos. You just don't like them. It's kind of hard to watch yourself. Nonetheless, we're going to reshoot that video because I had a viewer watch the channel and leave a comment, and I want to answer kind of some of his questions, but also I've had time to use it now, and I want to share some of insights and show you guys some of the settings and how to get razor sharp mower blades. Let's get into the video.
Believer, fighting weeds and brown patch, dreaming darker and deeper. Got dirt on my boots and fertilizer on my jeans. Trying to grow the best lawn this neighborhood's ever seen.
All right, guys, so this is the SporGain. I'm assuming that's how you call it, what you call it. It's the SporGain bench attachment. Now, I did have to drill holes to mount this on my bench. As I recommended in the previous video, if you had like a vise and you wanted to mount this to a block so that you could then, use your vise, but then remove it, that is a great suggestion. But I permanently mounted this, really, really easy. Drill some pilot holes, gives you all of the hardware and things that you need to be able to do that. Super simple. All right, so all you need is this, and then you've also got to have an angle grinder. And I put this is an 80 grit flap disc. And if you don't know what a flap disc is, it's just little pieces of sandpaper glued to a backer board. And this is what actually does the grinding. And what I like about using a flap disc is it doesn't take off a tremendous amount of material. It's got a little bit of flexibility. So if you're worried about maybe screwing up a lawnmower blade or just not comfortable doing it, a flap disc just really makes it so easy. So this is what it looks like. Again, I've got it attached to the desk or to the table here. And then essentially it's just got this hole right here that we are going to attach this little bead through. So you do have to screw this on. It's got different ones that come with it so that it matches whatever angle grinder you have. But here, I'll show you. So essentially all you do is take that hole, like I said, you line it up and slide it in there. And basically what this does is it creates a pivot that doesn't move. The angle doesn't move. The hardest part about getting sharp mower blades is keeping your angle. And I have this set on 40 degrees. I'll show you this. So I have it set on 40 degrees right here. And that is what works best for my blades. Anywhere between 35 and 45 is a good angle to have sharp mower blades. You simply just unscrew this right back here. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to mess with the settings, but you just unscrew that. You can adjust the angle and tighten it down so that nothing moves. Okay? Super simple. All right. Then you get your mower blade, and then we're going to put it inside the clamp, and then you tighten this down, and it holds it in place. You got your disc, and now it holds it at a perfect 40-degree angle. And then all you do is pull the trigger. Now it's probably going to get loud, but you just pull the trigger and run it up a few times until it gets really sharp. So let's do that. Okay. Then all you have to do is unscrew it, flip the blade back over, and then tighten down the other side. And then repeat the process. I went 5 strokes on that side, so we want to go 5 strokes on this side. All right. Probably want to be wearing gloves, so safety sallies don't get on me too hard. But then you feel it, and I mean, that blade is like razor sharp all the way across the blade. Then the last thing you want to do, and I'll leave a link to this as well, so I've got a little blade balancer. Of course, you could always hang a nail on the wall if you wanted to do that, but I've got a little blade balancer. You just set it on here, and then the blade will balance itself. All right, so if one side is heavier than the other, obviously if this side were heavier, it would, obviously fall down. We would then want to shave more off of this side, the side that's heavy, so that it balances. But these blades are perfectly balanced and good to go. Now, a little pro tip here. I have two sets of blades. I have one that I keep sharp, and then I have obviously a set on the mower as well. So when my mower blades get dull, now I advise changing your mower blades at least once a month. Take those off, replace them with your sharp set, and then you can sharpen your dull ones whenever you get free time. Maybe on a rainy day or a lazy Sunday or something, you want to sharpen your blades. But that way, as soon as you need sharp blades, throw them on the mower and go about your business. And so guys, that just about does it. I'm gonna go mow the lawn with some sharp mower blades. I'll see you guys in the next one.
It ain't about perfection, and it ain't about the praise. It's the peace I find outside